Hi, this is Jose Manuel Diaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Today I'm going to show you a fantastic apartment, all renovated in Ruzafa neighborhood in Duke de Calabria Street. And well, this is a great neighborhood. You can find a lot of restaurants, a lot of cultural places to spend your time. It's close to the center of the city. You can be there in 10 minutes walking, and well connected with the rest of the city by bus. And well, it's a great place to live here in Valencia. And well, this is a first floor apartment with 5 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And well, I'm gonna show you. Well, now we are in the main entrance. This is the main door. Here in this hall you have the bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2, and this corridor until the kitchen. And well, here on my left you have the bedroom number 1. In this bedroom you have a mirror, a double bed, a shelf, a chest of drawers, a bedside table, a desk with a chair, some shelving here, and this great wardrobe, and a window to the street. Well, this is the bedroom number 2 that now it's not available. Bedroom number 3 not available. Number 4 not available. And here on my left is the bathroom number 1. In this bathroom you have a sink, some storage space here, a mirror, a toilet, and a shower. As you can see, the whole apartment is brand new. And well, this is the bathroom number 2. And here in this bathroom you have a mirror, sink, some drawers here, a toilet, and a shower. Well, and this is the bedroom number 5. It's not available also. And now we are in the living and kitchen area. Here you have a table with 4 chairs, and well, this blackboard, the watch and the water heating system, it's electrical. You have microwaves, a coffee machine, a washing machine, 2 sinks over here, electrical stove, an oven, and a lot of cabinets, and a 2-door fridge with freezer. Great. And well, that was all. Hope you enjoyed it. It was Jose Manuel Diaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Adiós.